Okay, moving on to my Argos collection. I do have three. This one is Palace Athene. This one is rose with some other florals. There's red berries in the opening. It's absolutely delicious, super strong, really, really good performing fragrance. It is absolutely beautiful. Plus the bottles of Argos. Look at these. Look how beautiful these are. I absolutely love the House of Argos. This one's my favorite. This is Triumph of Bacchus. This is the best tobacco fragrance I think I've ever smelled. This is fantastic. This has like green apple, some fruitiness. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And it is a long-lasting fragrance, really good performance. I really feel like this fragrance is a masterpiece. And then this is the third one, Pour Femme. Very feminine, flowery, easy to wear, easy reach, really beautiful. Look at this bottle. Oh, beautiful. I love this one as well. The performance on this one is moderate. It's not as strong as the other two, but still pretty decent.